Blessed Sunday. Good morning. My beautiful red, very red, dark red camela. Pulang-pula. Looks Valentine's Day. And my other one. Nice one. Another bulb. And I buy this in Cavite. The last time I buy is only 3 pieces. 3. And now I have 6. 6. This is new one. Ayan. Nagala shout out, Mama. Nilasang. 1. Ayan. 6 na siya. Ayan. Humahaba siya ng humahaba. It's getting more and more. And this is also getting fluffy. Ayan siya. Blessed Sunday, everyone. Thank you so much. Ito siya. 1. Nilasang. Ayan. 3. Tatlo na yung kanyang dahon. He has 3 leaves. That's from Indang, Cavite. Indang ba yung Cavite or Cavite na lang? Yan, ito pa siya. More and more meet Mama and Nilasang. Ayan siya. Yung ang ganda. So very nice. Oh, diba? Thank you so much for coming. For visiting and for watching my video.